Hi guys, my mom just handed me a sweet potato. Ah, that's hot. That's really hot. So let's give it a try. I ate the burn part, but it's fine. It's very sweet. Okay, fine, it tastes bad. Overall, it has a bad taste, bad look, bad everything. 1 out of 10. Or maybe 5. Please like and subscribe. I've only got 9 subscribers, and my friend Evan already got 30 something. I really want to beat him. Bye guys.